really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In the city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing. Just show me, Chongqing. Won't you show me, Chongqing?
So I'm in Chongqing, and I'm somewhere called the Dragon Gate, Min. There's a lot of people walking right in this area, and I don't know, there's a sculpture and there's also a train line that comes through here. So I don't know. I get to wait and see when the train comes by, and I just kind of filmed this area. It's just a kind of a random area in Chongqing. I'm actually just trying to get from Sichuan Arts University to the place where the train goes through the building, and this was a transfer. And I just see tons of people at this Dragon Gate. So we're gonna see what it's all about. And hello. So he's staring at my camera. So okay, I'm gonna go in here and check it all out. Let's see. Chongqing, up on the map, Dragon's Gate. So kind of a cool name. So this is this kind of random Chongqing. I was up on the train going from one cool spot to another cool spot, as you often do in Chongqing, because it's a pretty cool city. And I came upon this little area and walked around a little bit, and I decided to film it. So it's called Dragon's Gate, and it's kind of some interesting people around, as there always is whenever people get together. And I also have some lyrics, so I put that up on the map too. And the lyrics, just it's a song that I wrote and then fed into AI. And now I'm going to get right into the walk and talk time, where I explore Chongqing, and you can hear my voice just kind of responding to all the stuff around me. And I got more Chongqing too, so stay tuned for those. All right, walk and talk time, Chongqing. Dang it, the train just went over, and I was just capturing the train as it went down, so there probably won't be another one for a few minutes. And then all these guys over here were kind of staring at me, talking about me and pointing at me. And I missed that too, that was also on the thing. But I'm gonna be checking out this Dragon Gate right here, and there's the name of it, and I'm gonna kind of see what it is. But that's the name right there, Dragon Gate. So I think we're gonna try to get closer and just kind of see what's going on over here. But this is also this giant plaza slash pedestrian street. So let me just kind of come over here real quick and just try to see if we can capture what the Dragon Gate is. Huh. Okay. So it doesn't really help me any. I think they're just avoiding the rain. But this looks like the Dragon Gate. It is the year of the dragon. There's a train station over there, which I was looking for a train. Oh, there's a train right there. Okay, so we're actually gonna walk a little bit towards that station. So that's the Dragon Gate right there. And I guess they're going down. Why are they going down? Is that how they get to the station? Anyways, let's just check out this little plaza and kind of walk around. Oh man, there's a nice cool art sculpture underneath this tree. There's some guy hanging around there hitting the arms. We're gonna check it out and see what it's all about as well, because I'm kind of curious. That tree is so cool. We're gonna check that out. So let me check that out. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So he's just kind of holding up the tree limb all the way. It's really cool. We just kind of go around like that too. Yeah, that's a really cool design. And actually the tree is really cool as well. Yeah, look at that. That's just such a cool image like that. And we got another train lines coming through again. Yeah, Chongqing just has a lot of kind of interesting stuff, interesting people. So yeah, this plaza is kind of a random one. I didn't really, there's a mall up there, buildings in the background, the Dragon Gate right there, cool apartments kind of everywhere, interesting sculptures. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk back towards the Dragon Gate and kind of try to see all the peripheral parts and to see. There's the Chongqing. And construction here. Chongqing ladies. And it's gonna kind of come through here a little bit. Looks like everybody's going up to that train station, and I think that this is the one that goes through the building. But this spot that we're at right now is definitely not a tourist spot. This is just kind of an intersection, a random intersection with this giant plaza, which I found kind of interesting because there's a big main one where all the tourists go. And I was thinking there's gotta be, you know, there's like 25 million people here. Must be all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. And anyways, I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go and see if that's my line, my train station. And we'll probably get another train that goes underneath as well. Everybody's walking up the steps and I don't even know if that's my right train or not. My train is supposed to be line 2, but there's no clear sign. Oh yeah, there it is, line 2. Okay, so now I see it. Okay, so anyways, another little slice of Chongqing for you. The Dragon Gate. And I guess I'll turn off the camera since that's the Dragon Gate. It's kind of cool. Didn't expect that. Maybe they're doing some construction around here as well. So we're gonna go all the way up to here, and then we're gonna end this video. So this is all part of the Dragon Gate, and I see some other Dragon Gate references as well, like this. And kind of showing you another slice of Chongqing for people that don't know what it looks like. Just to kind of give you an idea. You can kind of see the topography. You know, there's like stuff up in the air and there's also stuff that goes down. Dragon Gate down that way. Okay, so I guess what we're gonna do is We're going to continue down to line 2. Then we'll end our video. But it's kind of interesting just seeing how Chongqing is set up and just how it's organized, how it kind of goes up and down quite a bit, and we're going to be going more up to get up there. So, all right. Over here real quick. All right, so we're gonna go up there next. Dragon Gate. All right.
Hey, hey, Chongqing, hey.